Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to padded your fascinator and design it. You need your fascinator cup that you have molded. This is the fascinator cup that you have molded. You need your sellotape to tape wire. This is wire. I'm going to use 22 inches wire. That is my measurement, 22 inches. I have my feather to design it with this accessory. You need your ugum. You need your net, because the design I want to make on it, I'm going to use net for it. You need your rubber Alice band, and you need your cloth to cover the fascinator. You can use your doll face, satin. You can use any other material that you have. I have two materials there. I'm going to use them. Your bias to tape the inside of the fascinator. You need your foam to padded the fascinator, and you need your plier to cut your wire. You need your sellotape, your needle and thread, and scissors, and your gun wax candle machine. Take the foam. This is the foam. Then take your fascinator cup that you have molded. Look at it. Place it on it like this. Don't do it like this. Do it like this. Then take your scissors. You leave a space by the side so that you'll be able to cover it well. I'm doing the measurement. As you place it on it, cut it out. Cut the foam. This is the foam. Now take your ugum. These are ugum. Then place your fascinator and use your ugum on it. Put ugum round. Including the center, around the cup, and the cup. Then take your foam, place it on it, and use your hand to press it. That's it. Then take it up. You can padded the inside if you want it like that, but I'm just going to padded outside. Put it round the fascinator cup inside. And cover it like this. Cover the foam inside. Let it go very well. See, I've covered it. Take your satin, place your fascinator that you have covered with foam on it. Then cut it out like the way you cut the foam. Cut it out. You are going to cut 2 of this, one to cover outside, another one to cover inside. Now I'm going to cover the outside first. Put your ugum around the foam. Some of us that don't have ugum, you can use your F.O. stick gum. F.O. stick gum to do it. Place your cloth on it like this. Then use your hand. See it. Then turn it. Put your ugum, the foam inside, round it. And cover it. The next thing is to trim the leftover here round, then we cover the inside. You can see this outside. Now we are going to cover the inside. This is the cloth. Cut the cloth, then take your ugum, put it at the center of the mold, then put it round. Take your satin, put it inside. Then you trim the leftover. You can see that I've padded it. Then the next thing is for us to design a place on it. This is the wire. I'm going to use it to design the fascinator. You fold it like this. You take your sellotape, it to the two sides. You see? Then wrap it with your net. After you wrap it, I've wrapped it, then I've put it inside my net and cover it. Use the net to cover it. Then take your fascinator. Put your wax candle on it. Then what you do is that you gum it where you want the design to be. I want the design to be here. Gum it there. You take it again. Put the second one. And say it. Allow it to dry. You can see the design that I've made on it. Then put your feathers, gum it with the gum. And put nets. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.